All right, here we are, Brodie.
What's going on, everybody? How you doing? I just found this. It has a dog leash and then it has little plastic bags inside of it.
All right, now the reason we came down here today was, oh geez, oh, sorry about the wind. Didn't realise it was so windy over here. Was that when we were driving past the other day, my good wife noticed a new sign Playford Council has put up at our famous duck pond here. Let's have a read. I'll just come back a bit. And it says, "Thank you for not feeding the ducks. Bread and other food people eat can make ducks sick. Native ducks stay healthy by eating foods which occur naturally in the environment, such as aquatic plants, seeds, grasses and insects. You can always count on the ducks, identify different birds and take photos." Well, I tell you what, thank you very much, Playford Council. This has really made Brodie and myself very happy. Isn't that right, mate?
Yeah.
All right, let's have a look around. Stay tuned. Well, Brodie's just going over to the car. He's just gone to grab our litter grabbers and also some buckets, because we were just going to come down and have a look at the sign mainly and just check out the ducks and everything, but we found, starting to find a lot of litter. What's that? Chemical light stick. And there's litter here. He's identified down here. He's pretty good at spotting these. You can see that in the water there, cigarette butts. So anyway, once he gets here, we'll start it up. Cheers. Well, everyone, Brodie's just made a major discovery here. What is that? Let's have a look.
Coin.
Can we get it close? Look, let's have a look.
I just found a
He's
coin.
just dug a coin out of the ground.
Over there, like that.
It's
Big pole thing.
try and get it, zoom in on that. It's an Australian halfpenny.
Is that one of the olden day coins?
Yeah, I'll just get a date for you. I'll just smear a bit of water on there. 1949. Look at that, a 1949 halfpenny. And Brodie found it over here in the bush, so.
Over there.
Wow. Okay, that's quite unreal. Had a hard life though, mate, hasn't it? All right, you can put that in your collection.
Yeah, I have heaps of olden day coins, don't I?
Yeah, you do. All right, we'll keep continuing on.
And then we'll also go over there to see if I can find any more, actually. I will.
All right,